Welcome to our family. In today's lecture, we solve out the differential equation that is based on complementary function. The equation is given d square y upon dx square minus 4 dy upon dx plus y is equal to 0. We follow the method in which at first we put small d upon dx is equal to capital D. After then we find out the auxiliary equation and the solve out by the codic formula and the splitting of middle term and the squaring method. Then we get the two values because it is become a codic equation, and the two roots we find out. These roots may be equal, may be unequal, may be imaginary, may be complex. Then we react according to roots. Now solution. Solution. Given equation can be written as given equation written as d by dx is equal to capital D. D by dx is equal to capital D. Now we find out capital D. Put the d by dx is equal to capital D. We get d square y by dx square capital D square. Take out the y as a common. Minus 4d plus 1 y as a common is equal to 0. Now for auxiliary equation. Now auxiliary equation is given by now AE. In short form, auxiliary equation is written by AE. Now AE is given by now auxiliary equation is given by auxiliary equation become m square. In the auxiliary equation we put capital D is equal to m, then we get m square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to 0. You can solve out by the squaring method also, by the codic formula also, and by the splitting of the middle term also, but the quadratic formula is the better way, so we solve out by the quadratic formula. Then we get m is equal to, we know that quadratic formula says that if the given equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then solution is minus b plus minus and root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here minus b means minus 4, here plus 4 plus minus under root b square, 4 the square 16 minus 4 into a into c upon 2a. A stands for the coefficient of m square upon 2 is equal to m is equal to 4 plus minus under root 12. Under root 12 we can write down 2 root 3 upon 2. From here we get 2 plus minus root 3. 2 plus minus root 3. Here roots are 2 plus minus root 3. Now solution is given by now hence solution is, we know that when a and b are the roots, then solution is given by y is equal to c1 e the power ax and c2 e the power bx. Here we get the roots are 2 plus minus root 3, hence solution is y is equal to c1 e the power 2 plus root 3 into x plus c2 e the power 2 minus root 3 into x. When we solve out these, we get y is equal to c1 e the power 2x into e the power root 3x plus c2 e the power 2x into e the power minus root 3x. Now we take out the common e the power root 2x, then we get y is equal to e the power 2x, take it common, then we get c1 e the power root 3x plus c2 e the power minus root 3x. This is your solution. This is your solution. How we can find out the solution? You can understand the method. Y is equal to e the power 2x, c1 e the power x root 3 and c2 e the power minus x root 3. Now we can solve out by the following method. In some books, c1 is equal to put the 1 by 2 a plus b and c2 put the 1 by 2 a minus b and solve out. But you can use this method and solve out up to here. Y is equal to e the power 2x, c1 e the power root 3x plus c2 e the power minus root 3x. So we finish lecture now. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.